Apes never seals.
Amazing Grace.
Amazing Grace. How sweet. Where the fuck do I go?
When does the polar star evolve into the lucky star?
When you come to.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
You ever stop and think, like, what did the bugs do to you?
They were.
You kidding, dude? They're
Oh,
fucking
shit.
bugs.
Okay, well, that happened. Oh, man.
You have died.
Hey, man, do you know the Lucky Star dance? You don't do it for us?
Who?
Oh my god, I just remember the part where they're like doing this and then they like slide forward. But other than that, like, yeah. They do the count. You know, and Lucky Star.
Yeah, man. I think I can find it out. 6.
Oh wait, I guess.
6 and 1.
Wow, I sure hope we could drink some refreshing carbonated beverages soon. Maybe like a Pib extra?
Yeah, man. You guys remember Pib?
It's a little extra.
A little extra, man.
I've seen Fountain Pib that has like the old Mr. Pibb logo.
Anyway, Fountain Pib is actually way better than Can Pib. I don't know if you guys know
Makes
that.
sense.
Shit, what?
I don't know. Foil again.
You ever feel like some can sodas just have like a little metallic tinge to it? Hi.
I mean, soda's always better in a glass or something. So I've heard.
Yeah. There are people that swear by coconut bottle, right?
I mean, it makes sense.
Yeah, well,
to
they
me.
get the Mexican Coke that has the cane sugar because they care
That's-
about
that's
that.
actually good shit, though.
Well, I
mean, it's hard.
that's actually like something that specifically changes the taste.
I mean, you could taste aluminum.
Much better.
Cane sugar is like leagues different than
Your average high fructose corn syrup.
Yeah, you run of the mill granulated shit.
Yeah, dude, you can fucking use it to walk around, support you.
Yeah.
So, we still Let's Play, by the way? Is this on?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Man, do they have sugar cane in Ireland? Is that where they grow it?
Yeah, no, the tropical climate of Ireland really lends
So
itself
it's
to
not-
sugarcane production.
No, they grow
yeah,
tobacco
no,
there, I'm pretty sure of that.
Yeah, well, tobacco also is a better hot weather. Like Virginia was the big tobacco state. But yeah, cane sugar is like Haiti and Cuba, and
Yeah, you
I think
guys
they grew it in the
remember
Gulf
Haiti?
of Mexico. I do actually. I studied Haiti in school. It's an interesting place for interesting people.
There it is.
In the egg.
Who's my A?
Here goes my hero.
Watch them and stuff.
Watch him and stuff.
A.
What's
Yeah.
really nice is that this can't fucking focus on the Switch.
Really? Okay.
Yeah,
We
man.
can just have another episodes of Null Talks.
Oh, this is a secret episode.
Null Talks 3 Let's Playing.
I'm not even playing the game.
Oh, you can talk about me playing.
You were talking.
Yeah.
Want to provide some senior commentary?
Yeah, man. You go shooty. Shooty the baddies.
Should you make a shoot face? Shoot, baby, shoot.
Wasn't there some like fucking like disaster that happened in Haiti semi-recently?
Yeah, they had an earthquake.
Again?
Yeah, I mean, they're on a fault line, I think, so it
Yeah.
happens with some
Okay.
regularity.
You can't fault them for that.
Hey, it's the ID card.
Yeah, but I can fault you for that.
I really like Haitian. That's so cool. Yeah.
That's the only thing cool about Haitians, though.
Yeah. Haitian. Man, crank that shit up, dude. Some good ass music.
That's Soldier Boy.
Okay, we're playing.
It's Cave Story.
Cave
man.
Story. So good. You ever played it?
No.
Oh man, you should. Oh.
Ever watch Captain Caveman and the Teen Angels?
It's kind of like
No.
Yeah, like that.
It's kind of like an old school like Metroid style game.
I think I'm gonna name this
But with
Null
more
Plays.
personality.
Yeah. It'll be Null plays with Joodough playing Cave Story.
Yeah, man.
Will be the full
I
title.
got the ID card so
It's got a lovable cast of characters, you know.
Sure does.
It's got the cave.
It's got the story.
Yep.
Yeah, it's Sneak Alice, right? That's good.
And they published
I
it.
couldn't tell you. Matt's the expert on all things Cave Story.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm kind of a lore god.
You know what this is fucking focusing on? The texture of the ceiling reflected by the switch.
Nice.
I was wondering what you were.
I mean, we can
playing
just look
was,
at the
like,
ceiling and hope the
recognize the
switch is
music.
reflected off that.
But I think that's because you have the new soundtrack. I don't vibe with that. But it's cool if you did.
Not working?
Nah.
No.
Oh man, if you post
We'll
it,
just have it be
you'll
out of
probably get
focus.
shitty comments like, oh, just use a capture card on the TV.
Yeah, man.
Should've
All the
brought
people from the
mine.
college fund will say that.
And I'll tell them that I'll beat them up.
Yeah.
They can write me a diss track, see me in the streets, see me in sheets.
Yeah, man. And
Post up.
if you donate $10,000 to the Kickstarter, we'll program you into Cave Story as a character.
And then also still
Just-
fight
no, we'll
you.
just pretend that you're Curly Brace. We'll play.
I wish I was Curly Brace.
Yeah, same.
There's a new Metroidvania game coming out in the foreseeable future. I'm really excited for it, but I can't remember its name.
What was that one we saw at fucking? Was that at Walmart?
Yeah, what was that?
There's that new Kickstarter game that.
It looked like
Yeah,
Shovel
it's
Knight,
amazing.
but also
It looked
yeah,
it looked
cuter.
Oh,
like
shit.
like a Shovel Knight.
Yeah, it was a preview thing.
Yeah.
It was the Swords of something.
All right, well there's.